Hello viewers, welcome to Kalam Club Science Lessons presented by Biology Digital Badi. Dear students and viewers, we all know that to collect the valuables easily from a locker, we need its key. Similarly, to understand a science lesson or biology lesson easily and clearly, we need to understand key concepts of that particular lesson. Here, Biology Digital Body is presenting you definitions and descriptions for all the important key concepts of every general science lesson and biology lesson. Hope you will utilize this opportunity to understand the science or biology lessons easily and clearly, which will be taught by your teachers. Right? In this video from 8th class biology, we will discuss key concepts and their definitions part 1 from unit 1, cell structure and function. Cell, the structural and functional unit of living organisms, is called cell. The word cell is originated from the Latin word cellula, which means small room. A variety of cells present in living organisms. An English scientist, Robert Hooke, discovered the cell for the first time in the year 1665. The study of cell is called cytology, and Robert Hooke is considered as father of cytology. Multicellular organisms. Organisms made of more than one cell are called multicellular organisms. Multi means many, cellular means cell. So, multicellular organisms means many cells containing organisms. All animals and plants, most of the algae and fungi are examples for multicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms. Organisms made of single cell are called unicellular organisms. They are also known as single-celled organisms. Uni means one, cellular means cell. So, unicellular organisms means one-celled organisms. Organisms such as bacteria, protozoans, few algae and fungi are examples for unicellular organisms. Pseudopodia. The projections which are protruding out of amoeba body and help it in locomotion are called pseudopodia. Pseudopodium is singular term and pseudopodia is plural term. Pseudopodium is also known as pseudopod. Pseudopod means, pseudo means false, podium means foot. So pseudopodium means false foot. They are temporary organs of locomotion in amoeba. That means they form and disappear continuously as amoeba moves or feeds. Tissue. A group of similar cells performing specific function is called tissue. Tissue contains two parts. They are cells and intercellular matrix. The intercellular matrix joins all cells and keeps them as a single unit. The study of tissues is known as histology. Marie Francois Xavier Bichat is considered as father of histology. A variety of tissues present in animals and plants. In 9th class, you will gain more knowledge on tissues. Plasma membrane. The thin membrane that acts as boundary or outer covering of cell is called plasma membrane. It is also known as cell membrane or cytoplasmic membrane or plasma lemma. It is made of lipids and proteins. It gives shape to the cell. It separates and protects the interiors of the cell from surrounding environment. Cytoplasm. The jelly-like substance present inside the cell is called cytoplasm. Earlier, it was known as protoplasm. The Swiss scientist Alfred Rudolf von Kolliker coined the term cytoplasm. Cell wall. An outer thick layer that encloses plant cells or bacterial cells in addition to plasma membrane is called cell wall. It is absent in animal cells. In plants, cell wall is made up of polysaccharides or carbohydrates such as cellulose, hemicellulose, lignin, pectin and suberin. In bacteria, cell wall is made up of carbohydrates other than cellulose. It was first discovered by the scientist Robert Hooke. It gives mechanical strength to the cell. Organelles. Various membranous and naked structures which are freely floating in cytoplasm of the cell are called organelles. A variety of microscopic organelles such as nucleus, mitochondria, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, lysosomes, centrosomes, chloroplast, cytoskeleton are present in cells. In ninth class, you will gain more knowledge on different organelles. Nucleus. The central dense round body in the eukaryotic cell that is enclosed by a two-layered membrane and contains genetic material is called nucleus. Of all the organelles, the most prominent organelle in the cell is nucleus. The scientist Robert Brown discovered nucleus in the year 1831. We can see this nucleus even with an ordinary microscope. As this nucleus decides shape, size and structure of the cell and controls the functions of the cell, it is popularly known as control unit of the cell or control room of the cell. These are the key concepts and their definitions part 1 from unit 1 cell structure and function. In next video we will discuss key concepts and their definitions part 2 from the same unit. Till then, wish you all the best dear students. Keep watching Kalam Club Science Lessons presented by Biology Digital Badi. This is Meda Prasad, biology teacher, signing off now. We'll meet you in next video. Bye.